Okay, you guys, as promised, I found a casino. I'm actually really impressed with this. I'm at Oaklawn Casino in Hot Springs, and it's an incredibly nice casino. So I'm about to head in and see if I have some luck. Hopefully you guys will get to see me hit a big jackpot tonight. Okay, so I'm trying out this cool Deep Sea Magic. It has a big jackpot on it, and we're gonna see if we can get something. Just missed it. Come on, baby. Oh, almost. So I did a thing, you guys. Check it out. So yeah, that's the first machine I've played here. Did really good. Best gas station ever.